quick story time. So, in my 40 years in experience there is sa kalibutan, no? So, I'm always searching for the ingredient, the right ingredient in how to become successful in life. Kung unsa man akong gisudlan nga negosyo, unsa may gisudlan ako nga trabaho. And I'm always looking for this ingredient. So I ask people, especially katong mga successful nga mga tao, kailan ako nga mga negosyante or na sa ilang top level, sa ilang status, sa ilang kinabuhi ko, unsa man gyud sikreto nga mahimo tang successful sa kinabuhi? Unsa may atong angay buhaton? So they give me this very common advices, no, even on the internet kung atong i-search na dapat kugihan ka, you are hardworking, dapat is humble ka, dapat is consistent ka sa imuhang gibuhat, dapat is resilient ka sa imuhang gibuhat, and other good traits or character ang ilahang ihatag nimo nga mga advices. But you know guys, there is a one underrated ingredient, no, in how to become successful in life. Underrated ni siya. And you know what, kung unsa na nga akong na-discover, mao ni siya. It's Malakay 3:10. So when you try to read this in the Bible, mahibaw-ani mo diha kung unsay gisulti sa Ginoo. And that is the most underrated ingredient, guys, to become successful in life. And you see those words? Nakuha na nako when I started